Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a wood floor transition. In this case it was a transition between wood floor and what was carpet that I've already pulled out. I'm replacing the carpet with a cork flooring, but it could be laminate tile or it could be other wood floor or porcelain tile, anything you want. You still got to remove that transition when you put the new floor. So in this case I'm just showing you what I'm doing to get that transition out. And the magic here is this tool. It's like a crowbar, but the trick is it's got a really nice kind of beveled edge there that I can get in between the wood floor and the transition. There's glue under here, wood glue, and it's holding very tightly. But by tapping and a hammer on this with this beveled edge, it's not very sharp, so it's not going to scrape the floor. I'm able to get it to separate, and I'm going to tap it at various spots along the way, and eventually it's going to pop out. I'm using a hammer to tap on it, but I'm also using this piece of cardboard to put underneath, because once you start tapping here, it's going to want to sit tight on the floor, and so you put the cardboard to protect your wood floor. Alright, I'll show you on this one. Now this transition is going to go back about an inch to an inch and a quarter, so that's about how deep you can expect the blade to reach in there. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. So that's about as far as it's going to go. That one went in pretty easy. Some of them are a little bit harder to get started because that's where the glue might be. So now the nice thing about this tool is I can just pop it out. Lightly tapping. Here's a spot where I can see a little bit of glue. I'm going to try that one. It might be a little tighter. No, it's going in easy. Okay. Okay. And so basically you want to just keep doing that in various spots along here until it breaks free, and it's just going to pop right off. And that's going to be it. So I'm going to keep working on it. Get it right here. I'm surprised it didn't come loose yet, but I'm going to keep hitting it at different spots. No, it's free there. Let's try it. Alright, I had to work harder at this one. I hit it in quite a few places, and eventually when I got it on the end here, it started to, you could start to feel it moving on one side, but it was still tight in the middle. So I hit it in the middle a few times. I hit it over here on this end, and then I was able to pull. And as I pulled, just not hard, because you don't want to break anything, but eventually it came up. And this is what you have underneath. Is the old glue and a little bit of mashed carpet in there, and that glue can be killed with removed with like Goo Gone or your favorite solution to just take that off of there. Scrape it clean, and you be ready to work with your new floor. If you like this video or if it helped you, please hit the subscribe button to support this channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.